Welcome back to my channel. In our previous video, we created the background for the snake game with the title Snake Game by Humayun, and in this video, we'll draw the border, the snake's head, and the food. So let's start coding. First, we need to create the border for our game. The border will act as the boundaries within which the snake can move. To do this, we can use the turtle module, which allows us to draw shapes and lines on the screen. We'll use the pen function from turtle to draw the border. We'll set the pen color pen up so that it doesn't draw while moving to the start position, and then pen down to start drawing. By specifying the coordinates, we can outline a rectangular area where the game will take place. So let's run the code and see the border. You can see the border right here. Now let's create the snake's head. We'll use the turtle module again to draw the snake's head, which will move around the screen. The snake's head will be represented by a turtle object that we'll control later with keyboard inputs. We'll create a new turtle object, set its shape to square, and give it a color like black. We'll also hide the turtle's trail by turning off drawing with the pen up function and position it at the center of the screen for the game to start. Now, let's run the code and see the snake's head on the screen. You can see the square representing the snake's head placed at the center of the screen. This is where the snake will start when we begin moving it in the game. Next, we'll create the food for the snake to eat. In this video, we'll focus on creating the food, and in the following videos, we'll work on how the snake moves and interacts with the border and the food. Now, let's move on to creating the food for the snake. We'll use another turtle object to represent the food. Just like we did with the snake's head, we'll set the shape of the food to circle and give it a different color, like red, to make it stand out. We'll also place it in a random position on the screen so the snake can chase it later. Wrap up. Background, we created a green background for the game. Border, we drew a brown border around the edge of the screen. Snake's head, we added a black square as the snake's head, centered on the screen. Food, we made a red circle for the food and placed it on the screen. We used turtle for drawing the background, border, snake's head, and food. Time for controlling the game's speed, which we'll use in future videos. Although we haven't used random yet, it will help us place the food in different positions later on. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.